Morning, everybody. Out here on a frosty morning for a great morning of aviation. Today I'm testing another prop, actually sort of another motor too, but it's the same as the, spec-wise it's the same as the last motor I used in this plane. So this is actually a brand name Turnigy Aerodrive 2826/6 2200 kV motor. Very, very popular, durable motor. The prop I'm running today is, I'm going to call it the RC Timer electric sport prop, and it's a 6x5. I had always thought for a long time that these were actually EMP props, or electric model power. Now I'm starting to have my doubts a little bit. I'll talk a little bit more about that as I fly and after I land. But anyway, I actually sort of found this, in my bin, and I seem to remember it got sent to me by mistake in a bunch of 6x3 props that I'd ordered, and I don't know that I'd ever tested it. But anyway, good numbers on the bench, which I'll talk about here. We'll just go for a thrash and see what kind of fun we can have. So on the bench, it tested at 23.6 amps. Full throttle on a 3-cell, produced about 29.5 ounces of thrust. Very comparable to the 6x4 APC gas prop that you've seen me use in some of my previous videos, which turns out about a ½ ounce more thrust at top end, but a little bit more amp draw. I would have to say this is about my 3rd or 4th flight today. I would have to say that I give the top end still to the 6x4 APC gas prop. Perhaps this does, because I've got extra pitch here, it does seem to take a little bit longer to spool up to full throttle. So maybe with the 6x4 APC gas being only a 4-pitch, it spools up a bit faster and makes it seem like you're at top speed, but I still seem to think the 6x4 APC is a better top speed on this motor. But it's a good choice, better performance than for the longest time, for hundreds and thousands of flights with this motor, I ran the 6x4 APC electric knockoff from Hobby King, and this is definitely better performance. I was surprised at how low the amp draw is for for a prop with a 5-pitch. And like I said, I sort of found it by surprise, like finding money in a pair of pants you haven't worn in a while. So that was kind of fun. A little slower down here. Yeah, not bad, but when I pull up into the vertical, I don't seem to have the same amount of speed and energy as what I've had with the 6x4 APC gas. And this is actually one of my better, probably the best performing Turnigy 2200 motors that I have. I picked it specifically for this testing. Oh, yanking and banking here, warm up in this cold. It's about 0 degrees Celsius, so 32 Fahrenheit when I arrived here this morning. For the first couple of flights, I thought the prop was imbalanced. Okay, time to land, because at around mid-throttle it was sounding super raspy, and then after the plane got a chance to warm up in the sun a little bit, it actually quieted down. So what I'm going to do is, talking to Wild Thing from the RC Powers Forum and RC Plane Pirate, they've been having great luck with TGS brand. I'm just going to unplug this. TGS brand props from Hobby King and KMP from Banggood. So I've ordered some 6x3 and some 6x4 from those two places, you know, in this sort of the exact same prop, and I'm going to compare them head to head with what I get from RC Timer and see if there's actually any difference. So more bench and field testing to come. So there it is, folks. Turnigy D2826 2200 kV motor, 6x5 EMP or electric sport prop from RC Timer. Thanks for watching. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise, the other sound of freedom, baby. Take care.